Next. Pakita na lahat. Next month, AIM Pakistan. Pakistan is 200 million population. Pakistan will be the Nigeria in Middle East. Next month, Ivory Coast. Next month, Cameroon. First quarter of 2017, we will reopen our Hong Kong branch office. 2017, Indonesia, Thailand, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Tanzania, Rwanda, Congo, South Africa, Mongolia, Kazakhstan. Are you excited with this? We're dominating Asia, we're dominating Africa, and we're dominating the Middle East. All coming from a Philippine company called AIM. Are you excited with AIM? Are you proud that you're a member of AIM? Next. Burn Shake, which is originally packed in 30 sachets, right now in a more convenient, smaller, lighter, more retailable packaging. Next, it will come right now in 15 sachets with improved and fortified formulations with added Satirial and Phenomatte, which are two clinically proven, imported, patented ingredients. We all know the clinical studies of Phenomatte. Let's show them all. It suppresses the appetite, reduces calorie intake. It has a thermogenic or fat-burning effect. It has an antioxidant value as well, more potent than vitamin C. Next, other than Phenomatte, we added Satirial. This is the clinical study for Phenomatte. Next, Satirial clinical study shows. Okay, let's show them all. Proven to promote weight loss, promote a positive mood, decrease the hunger pangs between meals, decrease sugar cravings, and of course, decrease appetite and portion size. Next, this particular packaging, Burn Shake, in 15 sachet, of course, half the value of our original 30 sachet package. Commissional points is 200, binary points is 13, positional points is 0.15. Next, now we're coming up with a combination. With a combination of Burn Slim and Burn Shake. Next, please. We call it Burn S2. Burn S2. Shake and Slim. Okay? A combination of Burn Slim and Burn Shake for 1,650. If you will buy this, you will have a free water bottle and a free t-shirt, Burn t-shirt, that goes with it. It will be made available in branches, head office, and BCOs nationwide come November 11. So remember the branding, Burn S2. That's Shake and Slim. Next. Now, are you ready for an incentive trip? Again, are you ready for an incentive trip? Ladies and gentlemen, our Hong Kong trip 8. This will be timing when we reopen our Hong Kong branch early 2017. So from November 11, handa ka na ba? November 11, 3 months, to February 11, 2017. What are the requirements? Number 1, NTP of Natural Essentials of all your accounts. Number 2, Tenderex Natural Essential Global Packages. Number 3, 30 pairs in 3 months' time. Number 4, 8 personal points combination, 50-50, 50% natural essentials and 50% burn products within 3 months. Now, of course, the usual policy will apply, like one account will be counted from newly sponsored multiple head distributors. More than 7 accounts are not allowed. Pre-sponsored distributors are not counted. Only new distributors will be counted. Only appropriate codes should be encoded for the requirements. Gusto mo ba sumama for free? November 11 to February 11. Mark the dates. Mark the promo period. Next. Now for the event tonight. Next. Let's show them all. For the event tonight. Everybody say, I can. a few days ago, my aunt named Leticia